Most people walk into Walmart thinking the price on the shelf is final, so they end up paying more even when the same product is cheaper somewhere else. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart's price match system exists, but it is not automatic, and most people never use it correctly. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the Walmart price match policy works in 2026 and how to use it step by step to save money on your purchases. Let's break it down clearly. First, price matching means Walmart may adjust the price of an item if you find the same product cheaper at a qualifying retailer, depending on current policy rules. Now here's where it gets interesting. The process is not always advertised at checkout, so you often need to request it yourself. So let's go step by step. When you are shopping in-store, you pick your item and go to checkout. If you believe the item is cheaper elsewhere, you can show proof to a store associate before completing your purchase. That proof could be a digital listing, app price, or online product page from a competitor. Now imagine someone like Alex buying a blender. He sees it listed cheaper online at another retailer. Instead of paying full price, he shows the listing at checkout and asks for a price adjustment. But here's the problem most people run into. They assume every competitor automatically qualifies. In reality, Walmart has specific rules about which stores and listings are eligible for price matching. Now let's simplify how it actually works. You can usually request a price match at the register or customer service desk. The associate checks the product details, including brand, model, and specifications, to confirm it matches exactly. If everything matches, the price may be adjusted on the spot. Now, here is something important. Walmart's policy can vary between in-store purchases and online orders through the Walmart app. Online price adjustments may follow different steps and timing rules compared to physical store purchases. So always check where you are buying from before requesting a match. Now here's another key detail most people miss. Price matching is often limited to specific competitors and excludes clearance, marketplace sellers, or third-party listings. That means not every cheaper price you see online will qualify. So let's break it down simply. To use Walmart Price Match, you find a lower eligible price, verify the product matches exactly, show proof at checkout or customer service, and request an adjustment before completing the purchase. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume price matching is automatic or available after purchase, but in most cases you must request it before paying. So the smart strategy is simple. Always compare prices before checkout. Keep proof ready on your phone, and confirm eligibility with staff, if unsure. Once you understand this system, you can avoid overpaying and make smarter shopping decisions every time you visit Walmart. So here is the final takeaway. Walmart Price Match can save you money, but only if you know the rules, check eligibility, and request it at the right time. If this helped you understand Walmart Price Match policy clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple money-saving guides like this.